Morning there. Okay, so I wanted to show you how I move money from my MetaMask into a protocol. The protocol I will be moving it into is called Automated Trader, and that is one where they have bots that do trading for you. Basically, there's these set parameters, and they make buy and sell trades with these bots. And you get a percentage of that money back that you invest. So they take your capital, leverage it, and give you, a little percentage back. So that's Automated Trader. I am going to show you, because I'm putting a little bit more money in there. It's doing all right, and I'm liking it. So what we're going to do is, here's our MetaMask wallet, this little fox here. So if I click that, it's going to pop up and it shows, what your assets are. So this is USDT. It is another crypto token that is pegged to the US dollar. So when you see 108.55, you might as well say 108.55 US dollars. Okay, so here we are. I was about to make this trade or put this in there, and I thought, wait a minute, this is a good video for this. So I'm going to take here, you see that BEP20? These things are very important. You see above it, TRC20, you got USDT and you got USDT, but then you got these, in parentheses, weird things. Well, that's the blockchain. This one's off the Tron. I know nothing much about the Tron, but it's the Tron blockchain. This BEP20 is the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to do the BEP20 because most of what I do is off the Binance. So I'm going to select that. Now it's going to say, your wallet. Well, I'm in the States, so that's a good thing. And I'm going to put 105 in here and say redirect me to payment. So this is NVFX. It's a broker, and within the broker is a trader called Automated Capital. So all right, now this is really important. It still gives me a heart attack to this day when I do this. I'm like, I don't want to lose $105 into, nowhere man, land, space, internet, cyberspace stuff, right? So you have to be really careful here. A lot of times you'll start seeing like these copy address. So that's done. And it ends in AF7A. So just remember that. You don't want to lose your money here. So what it's saying is I'm going to transfer $105 into MetaMask, from MetaMask to this account. So I'm going to click on the little fox here. It pops up. I'm going to hit this USDT, and I'm going to send 105 USDT over here to NVFX wallet. Now, remember, I copied that here, and I always, I know this is kind of ridiculous, but because I just copied it, right? So it should just be the same information. But I mean, I'll even go so far as to make sure every single letter and number match up here. But for this case, I've already done it before. I know F08CA, F7A. I'm good. All right. So I'm going to put 100. Oh, no, there's a little caveat to this one. If you go down here, it says send tether amount. So even though I put 105, they're going to take a small fee. It looks like, a little over 5 cents. So I copied this amount here and say done. You click the fox again, it disappeared. All right. So it looks like there's really no easy way to do that, is there? Okay. So what you could do, because what it does is when I clicked out of it, it disappeared. So what I want to do here is copy the address, and then actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to copy this amount. I'm going to put it over to the side so I have it on another screen here. Got it. Now I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to go over here, and hopefully that doesn't disappear when I click on the other screen. We'll find out. Send. All right. So there's the address, F7A. That matches up. Now I'm going to go over here where I pasted this up. Good. I pasted it on another screen so I can put the exact amount it's telling me to put in there, because they're going to take the little 5 cents or whatever. There's always a fee in transactions. Always, always. Just like normal, right? I mean, when you buy groceries, there's a fee in the transaction. There's a tax on the transaction. So, okay, so I pasted this in here. I pasted the wallet. So I'm basically telling MetaMask, send 104.94 USDT to this wallet. So I'm going to say send. Right. Yeah. All right. See, I told you. Gives me a heart attack. Next. So, again, fees. It's going to cost me 0.000383 BNB. The BNB right now is like $240 something per BNB. It's actually come down from like $270 per BNB. So this is going to cost me, I don't know. I can't do the math in my head. It doesn't matter. You know, it's less than $1. I'm going to confirm. I mean, if I wanted to, if I really want to be anal again, there's that wallet address, AF7A. AF7A. Okay. I'll pay the fee. Confirm. I have BNB in my MetaMask wallet. See that 0.6621 BNB? That's, I don't know, $100 or something. It should be a little bit more than $100. But I have BNB in the wallet. You will have to have BNB in your MetaMask wallet. You don't have to have this much. You can have, I don't know, $30 worth of BNB in your MetaMask wallet. You would just take, like, I use crypto.com. See how they, look at that screen, transaction detected. So they are receiving that money now. But I use crypto.com. So what I would do is buy BNB on crypto.com and then transfer it to my MetaMask wallet. Because on the Binance Smart Chain, it requires BNB for all these gas fees. Okay, so here we go. Should be there. Let's see. All right, so it'd be this one here. It says awaiting approval. I'm going to pause till it's approved. All right, we're all good. My $105 is approved. It's in the NBFX. Now I need to move it over to the trader, which is automated trader. So I'm going to say, I'll remember BEP20. Oh, wait, I'm doing this wrong. Internal transfers. Okay, now transfer type wallet to MetaTrader, because I'm taking it from the wallet that's in here, and then I'm going to put it on there. So in this other trading account. So wallet to MetaTrader, USD transfer to, and now this is my auto trader account here. And I want $105 to go in there, and I'm going to, let me pause real quick. Make sure. Okay, and now so I'm going to request a transfer to that $105. Transfer was successful. So you can see here, I put in 205. Now I'm putting another 105. So I'm going to go to that trading account. My accounts. All right. So here is the thing. You see that 658? that's off of $205 that I put in on Sunday before noon. So less than 48 hours. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but I didn't do anything. They traded this and made this for me. And it's only $205. In less than 48 hours, I made $6.58. So, and it's being traded all the time. So what is that? Let's see. 205. Actually, that's not correct. It is 6.58 divided by 205. That's 3 divided by 2. That's 1.6% return on my investment per day. And this fluctuates with this account. It can be higher, it can be lower, but people are getting some really good results. That's why I was like, wait a minute, I think I want to put a little bit more in here. So not bad. Now, I'm going to go to deposit. I'm going to put in that $105 on, just stack it in here. And that should change or tell me something. Okay, so it took, I don't know, 2-3 minutes to actually input that 105. So there's things where it takes a minute. Sometimes you have to refresh your browser and stuff like that in order to see the deposits made. And it's enough to give you another little miniature heart attack, right? Because you just want to make sure your money is not lost in cyberspace. So this did go in, the 105. So now I will be making whatever the trades happen on here. I'll be making it off of 316. Now this compound, so that 652 is going on top of that 310, and this will compound every day. I don't have to do anything. It'll just compound for me. And on Sundays, you can take your investment out if you wanted to every Sunday. I'm just going to grow this account as best I can before I do anything like that. But if you wanted to, you could, right? So I get people talking to me about, everything they're seeing about crypto, and crypto's dead, and, the hell with crypto and all of that stuff. The only thing I can say with it is, yeah, I mean, it did. It took a major hit. Guess what else was taking a hit at the same time crypto was taking a hit? The stock market. So anybody telling you that crypto and the stock market aren't, because I've heard some people say, well, the crypto is not really tied to the stock market. BS. As soon as the stock market takes a hit, the crypto takes a hit. So it's here. And just a quick snap preview of where I'm at right now. Let's see, total investments. So here we are. This actually gets bumped up another $105 because this is what I just put in there, right? So this is what I have invested. Now I'm just being totally transparent here. So I've invested $3,065 in this, and my return is $3,385.56 for 110% is where I'm sitting from initial investment. So I've made $320 since, I don't know, it was like the end of May, right? And I'll have to do a whole other video because I made some rookie mistakes where I lost hundreds of dollars. I'm talking like, I don't know, $600. So this would be like 600. I'd almost have like a $1,000 profit right now off of those mistakes. And I don't want you to make those. You can see a couple of them here. I scratched them out right there, USD, Quantic, but there was a whole one that really cost me a big chunk of change, and I can do a video on that as well. And I don't want you to make those mistakes, right? So Anyway, let me know what questions you have. Oh, by the way, the 45.90, if you multiply that times 30, that's $1,377 a month that I could potentially just take home if I wanted to. I'm going to grow this. I really want to grow it. But that's what I've done in 2 months. I've basically, this is kind of my daily rates that I'm pulling off of these projects. And it equivalates to this. Not bad. Take care. Let me know if you have questions.